So there comes a time where you have to get rid of those old cutting boards, and this was definitely my moment, especially the wood ones that tend to store bacteria. And so I have been searching online all over trying to find a great alternative, and I stumbled across this cutting board. What drew my attention was the size of this thing. I'm like, I've been needing a large cutting board for so long. And so I was so intrigued that I had to try it. Now, I had a huge struggle right here trying to remove this plastic film because I'm like, I know this cutting board is clear, but it was kind of this frost color, of course, as you can see. That's because the film you got to take off of it. What I ended up using was the knife on both sides to kind of slice it a little bit, and it didn't pull off easy for me. But I was excited to just get this thing on the counter and see how it works. When I did notice that it was so crystal clear, I was like, oh my God, is this thing going to be sliding around the counter? So I'm going to make my cucumber snacks, which you guys know is one of my favorite things. So I'm just grabbing my knife. But as you can see, this board is not moving. So I'm showing you guys a video at the top so you can see. It looks like I'm cutting on my counter. That's how much space I got. But it is staying in place. And so this is like one of my top favorite things for my kitchen now. I will be using this all the time. Like it literally stays in place, which was shocking, but awesome at the same time. The cleanup was a breeze, and then all you gotta do is dry this off and store it. So no more bacteria boards, and you're gonna have so much space. So check this board out. It is on my showcase.